Hello, my name is Aaron Babcock. Welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe if you like these videos. So today, Patriotic American History, book reports, essays, and book reviews. I'm going to be discussing firearms, and I put Mount St. Helens book for inspiration because I'm out of Washington State, and they've been running the firearm businesses out of our state, and it's been really sad to watch them trying to disarm Washingtonians from self-defense and gun collecting and basically just target practicing, shutting down all the businesses. So first, I'd like to start with the World Encyclopedia of Guns, pistols, rifles, revolvers, machine and submachine guns through history. And there's photographs and a lot of history. So this is a really good book to get to know. And it's by Will Fowler, Anthony North, Charles Strange, and Patrick Sweeney. And that's a good book to have. If you've ever collected antiques in antique stores, you like to shop there, you'll find some old firearms or garage sales. There's a lot of people that like to just collect firearms, and they should have the right to do it because it's free America, not tyrannical America. And this is a shooter's Bible guide to AR-15s. Some people like to collect those as well. You have the old antique books of Gun Digest. This one's from 1980 by Ken Warner. There's a whole book series, a full color. There's lots to learn about it. Our state always needs lots of firearm businesses in every county. We have law enforcement that needs target practice, security officers, militia, legal law abiding only, and we have just every Washingtonian citizen that loves firearms. And project management is important to run those businesses and the small business startup. So then we have the encyclopedia for ammo, and there is a lot of information on ammo and all the machines to make it. Sometimes there's a shortage of ammo, and so we know that some ammo has lead in the bullets, and there's lots of rivers and creeks where people have fished with lead lures in the waters where people could scuba dive and take the lead out, and we'd have cleaner water for the environmentalists. And so we could stockpile that lead from the scuba divers and donate the lead to everyday citizens for ammo and law enforcement that's well needed for all these stores. So that's an idea I think people should capitalize on and don't wait around. When you're out, and you need to invest in ammunition. The world is getting to be a scary place in foreign countries. The Middle East is very volatile. They have a lot of AK-47s over there, and we have a lot of AR-15s over here. And if they disarm us and promote that there's no reason to have these guns, well, when we don't have them, guess who's going to be showing up at the doorstep? The open border. A whole bunch of terrorists infiltrating the innocent migrants that come to our country. And that's one reason it's good to have lots of ammo and rifles. And it's been an American tradition of self-defense for its founding. So to sum it up, we need lots of stores and ammunition and lots of education of firearm safety. And the more we have promotion of self-defense, the lower the gun violence there will be, because self-defense is justified and it is okay. And it's in our Washington State Constitution. And the last time it was printed was 2018. It's out of print, and people have never read it or have forgotten about it, and it needs reprinted and distributed across our state. And I'm sure there's a lot of states across America that haven't been reprinting their books of federal and state constitutions, and they're not doing a distribution campaign of volunteers. So pay people to distribute the state and federal constitutions out there. Otherwise, you're going to have crime grow everywhere, and it'll be your fault that you didn't do anything about it because of the lack of education on the Constitution. It's there for our rights so we can enjoy them, and we have veterans that served our country so we're able to have our liberty and freedoms to be able to defend ourselves and collect guns and firearms of any kind that we want. So that is all I have to say about that, and I hope you have a great day, and may you have at least a new business in every county of Washington State. That would be 39. We need a target practice business in every state, minimum, and ammo should be in every county, and it's very important for self-defense and recreation. So teaching children how to shoot at an early age, to break down the guns and put them back together, teaches people to be very responsible with firearms, to respect the firearms, and that they know that it's for self-defense, hunting, or collecting only, and it's not for violent crimes. So make sure human behavior is addressed and accountability of the individual. And no one has the right to take away firearms from anyone. There is some mentally ill, and there are some felons that have to work for their rights. That's a different subject. But overall, the legal law-abiding citizens have been losing their rights and are being treated as criminals, and they're trying to broad brush everyone into one group through the media tactics. And it is unfair to all these Americans, especially citizens of America and the citizens of our state and citizens of our county. Thank you very much. God bless America.